This is going to be start 2 of the car. We've changed the crank pulley, put on some new belts, and I've sorted out the water leak that I was having problems with first time. Start 2. Car seems to be running fine. We're just going to wait for it to heat up, and then we'll see what happens once it's warm. Checking for water leaks as well as timing. As far as I can see, there are no water leaks. Engine seems to be running stable, no belt squeal. Yeah, still waiting for it to warm up, get up to normal operating temperature. Which it is far from at the moment. Idling seems normal, maybe a little bit high at this present moment, and we'll wait and see. Car is up to normal operating temperature, seems to be running okay. Idlings could be slightly high, but that could be due to throttle body and tuning. Car could be running lean, waiting to tune. That's the next step of the project, and we'll see from there. But everything in the engine seems to be okay and running 100%, and I am happy with it. That's all until the car will be tuned for now.